Remove all special characters, punctuation and spaces from string. I need to remove all special characters, punctuation and spaces from a string so that I only have letters and numbers.
This can be done without regex. You can use str.isalmum. If you insist on using regex, other solutions will do fine. However, note that if it can be done without using a regular expression, that's the best way to go about it.
Here is a regex to match a string of characters that are not a letters or numbers. Here is the Python command to do a regex substitution.
Shorter way. If you want spaces between words and numbers, substitute with
TLDR. I timed the provided answers. Is typically 3x faster than the next fastest provided top answer. Caution should be taken when using this option. Some special characters, e.g. O, may not be striped using this method. After seeing this, I was interested in expanding on the provided answers by finding out which executes in the least amount of time, so I went through and checked some of the proposed answers with timeit against two of the example strings. String 1 equals special $#. Character space is 888,323 foot. String 2 equals how much for the maple syrup $20.99 that's ridiculous. Example 1. String 1 result 10.7061979771. String 2 result 7.783725979694. Example 2. The above results are a product of the lowest returned result from an average of repeat 3, 2000000. Example 3 can be 3x faster than example 1.
Python 2. I think just filter str.isalmum string works. Python 3. In Python 3, filter function would return an itertable object instead of string, unlike in above. One has to join back to get a string from itertable. Or to parse list in join use, not sure but can be fast a bit. Note: unpacking in *args or valid from Python is greater than or equal to 3.5.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.